Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Humber Snipe again. Just kidding. This is actually the Humber Snipe car, Home Guard edition. So, just tape your clippers and clip away at this little sprue there, and that's done. Now, before you continue, take your clippers and cut away at this little piece too. So cut away like this. There you go. And then try to clean that up a little. Okay. Next, there, that piece is all good. Now let's clip away these bumpers. So just go like this, and this, cleaning up those screw marks. So those are the bumpers. And so now let's fast forward and just clip all these away. All right, done with cutting away process. Let's start to glue this thing together. Take some glue, put it there like that, and then take the two parts of this car and try to get it lined up well, double checking, making sure that it's lined up. There you go. For this gluing that together, you actually might wish to use some glue that's not so fast setting. Gives a little extra time to work with to make sure that the two sides of the car are going well too. Okay, then take this piece and glue it down like that. Yeah, so this is alright. The line there is along the door, but right there on the roof you could take some sanding, like putty or something, and then sand it down, whatever you wish. Up next for this Humber Home Guard car is to take this front grille type thing and put it like that. Now let's do the bumpers. Actually, let's do the tires first, just to simplify. Now putting the tires on this car are real easy. You just put it there in the wheel well. So you see? So that's real easy. Then put some more glue down like that, and put another tire there, and another tire there, then like that. Now put some glue there and glue there, and then you can just put these spare tires in those slots there. Very good. Done. Now the bumpers. Let's put some glue there and there. That was a bit much of the glue. Oh well. Now take this bumper and put it. Try to make it work like that. Double check to make sure. Good. Last but not least is to put some glue in the front there, like this. Done with the little glue bottles. Take the bumper door. Oh, I like that. There you have it. The Humber Home Guard car. Kind of armored and such. This is available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.